Hey guys, Chris again coming at you with another video. Today's video is, as the title mentions, this is an unboxing and review of the San Martin Explorer Homage. This particular model here comes in this box. It is the 39mm model. I picked it up off of Random Rob's Discord group. Pretty cheap price, guys. I believe these retail for right around $300-400. Correct me if I'm wrong, as this is the limited edition version. But again, this is just a quick little unboxing, quick little review. Thank you to store over at Random Rob's Discord group, guys, for giving me a great price on this. And again, I do believe these retail for right around $300-400. And I feel like for what you get for the money, the specs on what you get for the money, I feel like it's a lot of watch for the $300-400. This is my first Chinese watch, I guess you could say. With Seagull movement so far, the experience has been pretty good. It's not like the Miyota movement where you get the rotor wobble or anything like that. So far, seems to be keeping pretty decent time. But we'll go to the desktop or the tabletop, and I will show you this watch in question, guys. And here is the box. Again, nothing too crazy. You don't expect a whole lot for right around $300-400 presentation-wise. But presentation-wise, I'd say this is pretty decent. It comes in like a plastic kind of shell here. So again, nothing too crazy. And here is said watch. As you can see, that Explorer 1016 Homage kind of look to it. And again, nothing too crazy. There's warranty card and all that in there as well. Now this is, again, the 39mm version. They do have a 36mm version as well, but this wears similar to a 36mm, I feel like. It wears a little bit smaller than the spec states. It wears a little bit similar to the, if you guys remember, my buddy Jorge a while back let me borrow his Smith's Everest. It wears similar to a Smith's Everest, so if you're looking for something along the lines of the Smith's Everest, but you want something different, I definitely recommend the San Martin route. And again, I can't really say as to San Martin's customer service because I ordered this, or I paid for this directly from another collector. This is a secondhand version, but I have heard good things about San Martin's customer service as far as being on AliExpress or other websites as well. Again, this is 39mm, 47.5mm lug to lug, so it wears fairly compactly. The ergonomics of this wears really well. This is a 20mm lugs, guys, so this thing is a strap master, as you guys can see. Sapphire crystal, excuse me, guys. And it does have the clean dial here. It is 100 meters of water resistant. It does have, I believe, BGW9 lume. So for the specs, for the what you get, again, like I like to say, for the money, for right around $300 brand new. And again, I paid secondhand, so you can get these cheaper secondhand as well. This is only 12.7mm thick, and again, it does house that Seagull movement. This is my first time, as I mentioned before, with a watch with Seagull movement. So far, it seems to keep pretty good time, but I'm not a stickler on as far as like how fast or slow the watch is running. As long as it's not running incredibly fast or incredibly slow, that doesn't really bother me. Now, the hardware on here is pretty good. This brushed aluminum tapers down to about 16mm. The clasp is adjustable, and it does have the San Martin logo here on the bottom here. And again, really easy kind of clasp. Nothing too crazy in the case back, just pretty much sterile case back. And here you see the San Martin logo here on the crown, guys. Again, this is a screw down crown. So again, for what you get, like I said, like I say, for the money, you get a lot of watch for the money. Basically a Explorer 1016 Homage. You see the San Martin logo here. I do believe this is limited edition, no longer made. Correct me if I'm wrong down there, guys. A lot of them come with the NH38 movement, which is another solid, reliable movement, workhorse movement. But if you want that kind of Explorer-esque vibe and you're not sure you want to wear it or could daily wear it, I feel like this could be a daily wear. Or if you do have a Rolex and you're in a city like me in Philadelphia and you don't want to wear a Rolex out and about all day or every day whenever you go out, this might be a pretty good alternative. And again, this thing is a strap monster. I will probably throw in a whole bunch of NATOs. As you guys know, I like to wear NATOs on a lot of my watches. But anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think down below. Is this something you would rock? Have you thought about San Martin before over maybe Smith's? Or even just if you want to get that Explorer vibe and you're not sure you want to pay the $6,000-7,000 for 36mm Explorer 14270, excuse me, guys. And you want to get that look and see if you like it, kind of test drive it for a little bit, let me know down in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next one. Peace.